Alright. It's Kent with MeekGuitars. I've got this Herringbone Stratocaster. Ready to do the sound test for it. So this is herringbone mesquite with a maple back. It's a 5-piece neck, maple, purple heart stripes, black walnut center, Grover tuners. This is a piece of ram's horn that I made the nut out of. The fretboard is mesquite with maple and purple heart binding. The pickguard's maple with a patinaed copper. This is a American standard Fender bridge. It's a tremolo. I don't have the whammy bar in, but it's a trim. I've got Fatpups pickups. Fatpups is an American pickup maker. These are the crossroads from Fatpups. They have Alnico 2 magnets and Alnico 5 magnets. And I flipped them so that the Alnico 2s are under the E and the A string. So you get a wider range. 5-piece or 5-channel switch, same as any normal Strat. It's really quiet. I've got the pickguard is actually grounded. And so you get, I'm running this through a 5E3 Tweed Deluxe on the normal channel. It's got a really fat tone. This is the neck pickup. Here's the middle. These two. Stratty. Turn on a reverb pedal. So this is the neck pickup. The traditional Strat sort of super stratty. It's real clean. The neck is a medium C shape. It's still pretty thin. The nut's 44 mil, so it's like a Les Paul neck on a Stratocaster. in a little bit. This trim doesn't help either, but it's got a great sound. Bell sounds. It just is a great guitar. Check it out on Reverb. You can visit my website at www.meekguitars.com. You can contract me to build something similar to this, whatever you want. But this guy is for sale. I've got it listed for $2,500 right now, but I'm open to suggestions. So make me an offer, or if you live nearby, let me know and I'll come try to meet you if you want to try to play it. But Herringbone Strat, MeekGuitars.com.